What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to animate text in PowerPoint, adding an extra flair to your presentations by making them more engaging. Open up your PowerPoint presentation to the slide where you want to add animations. For instance, if you're creating a quiz, you might want to animate the question and answer text to make the quiz more interactive. Select the text box or the object you want to animate. Once selected, navigate to the Animations tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. Here, you'll find a variety of animation effects you can apply. Click on the drop-down arrow to expand the menu and explore the effects, which are categorized into entrance, animations that make the object appear on the slide; emphasis, animations that occur while the object is on the slide, highlighting it; exit, animations that make the object disappear from the slide; and motion paths, animations that move the object along a predetermined path on the slide. For a simple entrance, you might choose the fly-in effect, which makes the text appear as if it's flying into the slide from a direction you can choose under Effect Options. If you want to add more than one animation on the same object, don't reselect from the main animation menu, as it will replace the existing animation. Instead, click on Add Animation from the Advanced Animation menu to layer multiple effects onto a single object. Each animated object will be marked with a small number, representing the order of animations. A star icon will also appear on the slide's thumbnail to indicate that animations have been added. You can preview any animation by selecting it and clicking the Preview button. To manage multiple animations efficiently, open the Animation pane, where you can rearrange the order of animations and set timing options. Here, you can decide whether an animation should start on click, with the previous animation, or after the previous animation. This is useful for automating how animations play during your presentation. Moderation is key with animations. For less distracting transitions, like revealing an answer in a quiz, choose a subtle effect, such as the fade in. This less obtrusive animation can be adjusted to occur word by word or letter by letter, depending on the impact you want to create. Finally, under the Effect Options dialog box, accessible from the drop-down arrow in the Animation pane, you can fine-tune these specifics to your animations, like speed, delay, and repetition. Adding animations to your PowerPoint slides can dramatically enhance the viewer's experience by making the presentation more dynamic and engaging. Play around with different effects to see which one best suit your content and audience. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.